Hello friend, welcome to TechBlade. Here we show the specification of all new smartphone. Display, type, size, resolution, density, protection and screen to body ratio. Device processor, version, processor core, chipset and RAM. Device storage, internal memory, SIM card slot, micro SD card slot and extender memory capacity. Device camera, camera setup, video recording, main and selfie camera, camera features and flashlight. Device battery, battery capacity, power saving, fast charging, wireless charging and battery type. Device connectivity and network, dual SIM slot, support network, wireless network and Bluetooth version. Device sensor, fingerprint sensor, availability and type, and other phone included sensors. Body and design, dimension, weight, color, and waterproof rating and certification. Sounds and ports, loudspeaker position, 3.5 mm jack, Type-C with NFC and Google Play support. Box content, document, Type-C to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector tool and protective case. Device price and launch date.